A 3.9% slump is predicted for Uniswap tomorrow, according to crypto predictions. Before anything else, let's check the chart conditions. Uniswap has risen 2.6% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $3.993. Here come the analysts' daily predictions. Based on CoinDataFlow's outlook, the asset could go up to $4.03 by tomorrow, an increase of about 0.9%. Uniswap could edge up to $4 according to CoinPrice forecast, around 0.2% more than now. 30 rates highlights the possibility of dropping to $3.94, an estimated loss close to 1.3%. A different forecast by Crypto Predictions expects Uniswap might move down to $3.837, about 3.9% below now. Finally, Gulf Capital Collector forecasts a fall to $3.644 by March 14, 8.7% down. This one gives the best return. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. With all 5 predictions in mind, let's look at the numbers. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a drop of 8.7% to an increase of 0.9%. As the data shows, Gulf Capital Collector offers the top projected return with 8.7% growth in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $2 and $87 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, CoinPrice forecast is ahead with a 96.7% chance of success. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. The consensus forecast suggests Uniswap could approach $3.89, marking an estimated 2.6% decrease. Let's walk through the details. The consensus view places the price 2.6% lower than current levels. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 2.6%, reflecting that same shift. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $26 more. The probability tied to the consensus projection working out is roughly 90%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. CoinDataFlow expects Uniswap to stay relatively flat in the coming days. For the days ahead, CoinPrice forecast signals further gains. 30 rates describes the outlook as flat. Likewise, Crypto Predictions anticipates Uniswap drifting sideways without decisive action from buyers or sellers. Gulf Capital Collector suggests Uniswap could slide further. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus shows Uniswap drifting lower. Therefore, the overall picture shows that most forecasts anticipate downside. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Yesterday gave us the results to compare. Ultimately, the day's result came to $3.917. Only 2 predictions matched the real direction. If we go by precision, Traders Union had the best forecast. Let's go through it. Yesterday's span included 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but CoinCodex stood out with 1%. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. In this comparison, Traders Union was assigned 97.2% forecast probability, inaccuracy, and 0.2% ROI. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. And now you'll see the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns based on consensus analysis. Uniswap takes 3rd position among all forecasts, as Dogecoin holds the strongest outlook with 3.4%. This section compares Uniswap to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A much broader view of forecasted returns and analyst performance will be posted soon on my website and Telegram. If today's analysis was helpful, tap like and subscribe. New forecasts come every day. Catch you in the next summary.